Mr. Claxton's Algebra 1 class. I'm going to do a problem that's very similar to a quiz problem that we have. This problem is going to be number 2 on the quiz as well. I just changed the values around. Hopefully you will use this to help you to study. In this particular problem, we are asked to convert from units to units. Notice how we do not have a rate. Again, we do not have a rate here. So I'm just going to write my value with the units over 1. Okay, I do not have any units in the denominator of my given. I know that I need a conversion factor that's going to cross over. It's going to cross over from standard, which is miles, to metric, meters. So which one of these, how do I pick which one of these crossover factors that I need? Well, I ask myself, what do I want to cancel? I want to cancel miles. So make sure we write miles. I'm going to go ahead and abbreviate. Still getting used to this writing device. So I know that I want to cancel miles. Is there a miles to meters conversion? So I go up here and I kind of skim from miles to meters. So I'm looking for miles. Oh, miles to kilometers, miles to feet. Not miles to meters, though. So I can use this conversion factor right here as a crossover factor. I see that goes from standard to metric. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1 mile to 1 609,000ths of a mile. And again, I do it to write real slow with this. This new writing, 1 609,000ths of a kilometer. Hopefully you caught that. Means you're paying attention, not falling asleep on me. Okay. I know that my miles will cancel. Okay. That gets me to kilometers, which is on the metric side. And as soon as I get to the metric side, I can use one of these metric conversions. Okay, one of these metric conversions right here. Hopefully you'll be deciding that while I'm setting the next part up. Setting the next part of this this problem up. So ask yourself, what do you want to cancel? We want to cancel kilometers. And what do we want to convert kilometers to? We want to convert kilometers to meters. Is there a kilometers to meters? Oh, boom, look, right there. Right here. This first one right there. Hopefully you already identified that one. 1 kilometer, 1,000 meters. I'm sure your science teachers would be very proud of you. I know my kilometers are going to cancel. Okay, leaving me with the desired unit of meters. So now all I have to do is multiply all these numerators together and all the denominators together. The denominators are the easy one. 1 times 1 times 1. That's going to give me 1. And I know my unit, that's going to be in meters. I do not have to write that over 1. And I could just leave it in M. Might as well abbreviate. Okay. I do not have to write that 1 down there. Notice that anything divided by 1 is just itself. I always just like to show that that's where that 1 comes from. 1 times 1 times 1. This numerator is going to come from 7.25 times 1 609,000ths times 1,000. So as you can see, I went to my calculator and multiplied those values to get 11,665 and 2,500ths meters. And we want to make sure, we want to make it easier to read. You know, whenever we're trying to communicate with people and convert units, we want to make it easier to read. So we want to make sure that you put those commas in there. Don't forget those commas. Okay? Go back 3 there. 11,665 and 1/4 of a meter. I hope this helps you on your quiz. Thanks for watching.